Good now everyone, this is Daryl as a service. I'm using nearby sharing in Windows 10 for the first time. Real use case that I'll step you through where I was working on a file on one device on a laptop and wanted to use an application that's installed on my Surface Pro. For some reason it's not working on my laptop at the moment. So I'll step you through how nearby sharing worked for me and pass a few comments as I go. I'm working on a video, a collection of responses about all org-wide teams, and a couple of people from the Regarding 365 team have sent in some recordings. One of the recordings is from Simon, and you do find this sometimes when it's from a phone or a certain device, that it's not using constant frame rate, it's using a variable frame rate. This means when you drop it into something like Adobe Premiere, all the sound in the video is out of sync. So I wanted to use a program called Handbrake, which helps to fix this. Unfortunately, it's not working on my laptop for video reasons, not sure why. So I wanted to work on it from my Surface Pro. Now I fixed up the video, and I've got the it's all ready and set to go, and I thought, well, rather than using a USB key, let's see if I can get this nearby sharing going. So I have done that. I've gone in and let's see, nearby, there you go, changing the sharing experiences. There are things that you can do, like turn it on and say I'm going to be able to send or share or receive content from anything nearby. You can limit that down to your devices only. You can manage the accounts that you will accept them from if it's accounts, and also sharing across devices. So I've done that. I've done that on both devices. And one thing that I found as I'm clicking this in, we'll go to share, and it's found a nearby device on the network. And that is the important thing. I think it's actually using the network in a combination of Bluetooth signaling. I'd have to confirm that. But it's found the device. Right, so yeah, that's cool. It is now offering that file to my laptop, and as we come over here, we don't see anything apart from the reflections. Apologies for that. But one tip is, if you are in suspend, or rather what do we call it, focus mode or focused assist on, you're not going to see any notifications. You got to open that up and then see it, right? So I'm going to click save. And yep, now we've got that file there which is starting to be received. Now we can see that happening on the machine that's receiving the file. We can see the file is being sent over from the source machine. The thing that I find that's a bit disappointing is that if this is coming over the wire, over wireless, this is only a 29 megabyte file. And it's only 6% through 30 seconds later. So is it using Bluetooth? Is it using NFC or something like that? Or is it using wireless and using Bluetooth to signal? So I need to check that out. I probably should have done my homework before starting this video. Now I'm not going to make you wait for this video to or this file to be transferred. As you can see, it's only at 11%, which is woeful. What are we connected to here? Yeah, we're connected to that network, and over here, connected to the same network. So this is a 5 megahertz network. It's using 802.11g, so you should get some reasonable throughput there. If it is using wireless, then something else is in the way. I think it's using some other tech. I'll confirm that. Maybe I've got time to go and find that out, confirm it even before the file is finished. That's a bit of a laugh, isn't it? See you soon. Alright, maybe 4 minutes later, 51% through, so I've done a bit of research and had time to do that. The file's still going through. But look, this is an article from LifeWire. I didn't really find the information quickly and at hand from Microsoft articles. Maybe I have another look. But it looks like, yes, it is using Bluetooth and Wi-Fi to work. So I would say that it's Bluetooth to say yes, the device is nearby based on your Bluetooth radio. So that signals and says, hello, I'm here, let me share, or let me receive, and then it's supposed to use Wi-Fi to transfer the file over quickly. Now look, the wireless access point is through maybe 2 walls, and it's only about, well, it's less than 20 meters away. I've got full signal strength. Look, I could do I guess a speed test. Let's do that. Speedtest.net. No, it's not very scientific, but it's one indication. Oh, hello, there I am. Go. Just to show you that the wireless is okay. There you go, we've got a good download speed. Very good download speed right now. School holidays are over. Woohoo! So that's an indication there that, you know, if I was able to send this out onto the internet and back, then I probably would have got this file 5 times over. In other words, if I'd used OneDrive to push this file, synchronize it, and download it, I would have had it by now. So, you know, maybe I'm doing this wrong, and certainly happy to be corrected or guided, because that's what it means to learn via the socials. Let's get back into our notification center and watch it download. 72%. I'll come back in 20 minutes time when we're just about ready to download it and almost complete it. See you soon. And here we have it, folks. It's 99% through, and I was just about to ask for some help across the net to say, is there anyone who can explain a bit more about how the signaling works? I was going to tap the shoulder of my mate, Richard Hay. Now look, we've heard there, okay, right, the file has completed. It has successfully been sent. Again, here's your tip. You want to make sure that if you want updates and notifications, and I guess maybe there might be some way of turning this on for just nearby sharing, to say, yes, I want to know about it over and above other stuff that I'm doing. Open folder. Alright, file is there. Good. And let's have a listen.
So this is my 60-second take on organisation-wide teams.
Good. Thanks, Simon. Yep, so it is working, and I've fixed that variable frame rate so that now it's constant, and Simon, sorry about the awkward pause there, dude. Simon is now in sync with what he's saying, so this is good. But nearby sharing, yeah, look, I've got to do some research about this, and it's old news. It has been out for a while, but it's the first time I've used it, and yeah, look, my experience so far with nearby sharing, and I'm used to using AirDrop between my devices. That's far faster. Now, is that it's still using a Bluetooth to the extent where it's saying, here I am, I'm a device, and I can see you're on it, and I trust it, so I'm going to receive that file. Very, very quick, as opposed to nearby sharing in Windows 10, which I think it's signaling. It is using my wireless access point out there. I don't think it should have any problems with the wired side of things, but it's woefully slow. If it was using Bluetooth, then that's what I think I'd expect, that kind of pace, because it's a 29 megabyte file that may be sharing it over Bluetooth. Even though the devices are right next to each other, it would probably go at that speed. So I'll do a bit of research, maybe get some comments from someone like Rich Hay or some other friends of mine that are covering the Windows Insider space, and we'll see what we can find out.